Rose, thanks for having me down here today. I love visiting your shop.
Thanks, Rhonda. You know, I always love it when you come and visit. So, do you want to tell the folks a little bit about what New Jersey Wool Walk is all about?
Absolutely. So, New Jersey Wool Walk is an annual event, generally in the spring, where you have an opportunity to visit all participating stores and receive a cool discount off available yarn purchases in each store.
So, I hear this year we have 20 stores participating.
Yes.
That's pretty big.
Well, walkers have 9 days to visit the 20 stores, all the way from northern Jersey down all the way to Cape May, New Jersey. So we have a wide variety of stores spread out throughout the state, and 9 days for walkers to hit as many as possible.
That's awesome. So tell us a little bit about how the prizes work.
So the more stores you visit, the higher value prize that you would be eligible to win. So at each store, you will present your New Jersey Wool Walk passport, and your store will punch your passport or stamp your passport with a secret letter that store knows, which will spell out a really cool saying at the end. No purchase is necessary to receive your stamp. Once the Wool Walk is over, you can leave your passport at the last store you visit at the end of the event, or you can always mail it to any store and they will forward it to the yarn shop at Alma Park, where all of our drawings will be held. More stores you visit, the larger the gift certificate you have an option to win. Do you remember the 3 values of the gift certificates?
Yes. So the first prize is $100 to the store of your choice. Second prize is $75 to the store of your choice. And the third prize is $50 to the store of your choice. And usually, depending on how much swag we get in, we also give away a bunch of prizes. After we draw for the gift certificates, we also give away a bunch of prizes that our vendors have so generously donated to us for this walk.
And a list of all those sponsors are available on our website.
Soon.
Probably by the time they see the video, it'll
Probably,
be online.
probably.
And what else is on the website that our walkers can check out in advance?
So what you have right now is you have all 20 participating stores up on the website. If you click on their logo, it'll bring you right to their website. So you can check out maybe some of the stores you haven't visited and see what they're all about. So you could definitely put them on your list this year to walk to. We have a map of New Jersey with all the stores pinpointed so that you could get your driving GPS coordination going on. We will have the sponsors page up in a few days with all the sponsors that have generously donated to us for this walk, and a little bit about the Wool Walk, a little bit about, what it's all about, and a little bit about our charity. This year's charity, just like last year's, is the Community Food Bank of New Jersey. $1 from each passport sale will benefit Community Food Bank of New Jersey. And we thought that was a really worthy cause last year, and we've decided to do it again.
Yeah, it's an absolutely great cause. We're really pleased with the donations that each store individually made, as well as the New Jersey Wool Walk made last year after the event. You could use the map feature online, of course, to plan your 9 days and make yourself super efficient so you can hit all 20 stores and get that passport all filled in and eligible to win that top gift certificate prize.
And remind me, what day is the New Jersey Wool Walk is?
New Jersey Wool Walk is Saturday, April 23rd to Sunday, May 1st. Now, what we do recommend is when you're planning your Wool Walk that you do go to each individual store's website or to the PDF that we will have posted on the website, which indicates each store's individual hours. So there is not a set hour for the entire event that all stores have to participate during. Each store can set their individual store hours. So do make sure the store is open the day that you want to visit the store. I'm sure some stores will have night hours as well. And most stores will be open both weekends. So Saturday and Sunday on both weekends. Super important to check that out. There may be some virtual events as well that will be indicated on the website.
And trunk shows too.
Absolutely.
I know a lot of stores are already gearing up all their trunk shows, and that should be posted on the website sometime in the next week or so. We're going to
Definitely.
start getting information for those.
Definitely. Now, don't forget, we have very active social media on Facebook and Instagram. So check out. We have some great photos of all the store owners, and we have store staff, and check out the pets of the owners as well. So all of that will be available as we lead into the Wool Walk. And then, of course, each month, the third Monday of each month at 7 p.m., we have Stitch and Chat.
That's right. And we've been rotating through all 20 stores hosting it every month. And, you know, we've gotten a lot of participation, and it's been a lot of fun. We get to see our customers sharing the projects they're working on, and you know, sharing the yarns they buy. And a couple of people even said that they were able to knit through their entire stash of their purchases from last Wool Walk. The rest of the folks on the call did laugh because they were like, that's impossible.
I'm pretty impressed.
But I was impressed myself.
Yeah.
Also, we have unboxing videos from the donations from our vendors that are going to start on our YouTube channel within the next week.
Absolutely. We're just getting started. It's
We
early
are.
March. We're leading into April, late April for the event.
We really have so much going on.
Absolutely.
It
So
is-
definitely do
it
not
is-
miss out.
It is a lot of fun. We are like really excited, and each individual store is busy by themselves getting their stuff ready as well. So, you know, we're looking forward to a really awesome event.
Now, when you visit each store, you have another opportunity to win a door prize. Look for a special QR code to scan at the register. That will lead you over to our Instagram hashtag for the event, and upload a picture of your yarny purchases, and you'll be eligible to win our social media prize as well.
So
look
many
for that.
chances to win prizes again this year
Absolutely.
because of the generous donations again by our vendors.
Yes. So we look forward to seeing you in all the stores. Enjoy the event, and any questions, reach out to us on our website in the contact page. Thanks for having me down today, Rose.
Anytime, Rhonda.
You got it. Thanks.